Hi, my name is Priyanshu and you're watching Encyclo Hub. In this video, we are discussing MAC 004 Economics of Growth and Development. So, before starting this, we are sharing something. So, we are providing all the assignments in a PDF form. If you need all the assignments in a PDF form, so you can contact us on our WhatsApp number, which is uh, showing on our screen 9009368238. And the question number one is that examine the effect of population growth in the Solow model of economic growth. Discuss how the Solow model could be used to explain poverty drops in developing nations. So this is the question number one, and which is saying that so in the Solow about the Solow model, if you need answer of this question of whole answer, because you can see this is not the whole answer. If you need a whole answer, so you can contact us on our WhatsApp number. We will provide all the assignments in a PDF form in 1 minute. Thank you so much for watching this video. We will meet you soon in the next video.